Since the beginning, Custom Offsets has been dedicated to making the process of modifying your vehicle easier. After searching hundreds of forum pages, trying to find the perfect wheel size and offsets for his ride, our founder, Sean, decided it was time for a change. In 2013, he made that change by launching Custom Offsets and, more importantly, the Custom Offsets Gallery. 8 years later, the gallery has grown to over 80,000 vehicles and has helped hundreds of thousands of truck enthusiasts find their perfect wheel and tire combination. From humble beginnings, Custom Offsets quickly outgrew its original building, which was nothing more than a bay in Sean's personal garage. Moving shops and growing over the following 8 years, Custom Offsets has continued to challenge the status quo of shopping for wheels and tires. We quickly learned that wheels and tires were not the end of the road. The Custom Offsets family told us they needed an easy place to find their perfect lift kit to clear their new wheels and tires, and we did exactly that. As the years progressed, we again saw a need for our customers to be able to purchase their perfect set of wheels from companies who understood what it meant to be a truck enthusiast. You guys asked us for wheel companies that understood who you were and why you built your truck the way you did. Again, we heard the Custom Offsets family ask us for something more, and we answered. We did this by launching Archon Off-Road in 2017 and most recently by partnering with Anthem Off-Road earlier in 2021. With both of these wheel companies by our side, we are now able to truly provide wheels for every type of build. But there's more to our story than just wheels, tires, and suspension. Today, I'm extremely excited to announce that we are officially expanding into the performance. Gotta go! Once again, I'm extremely excited to share with you that Custom Offsets is challenging the status quo when it comes to building your truck. As you may remember, we worked with Performance Parts in the past when we put a supercharger on our flagship truck, CO2. After that build series, it was clear to us that you guys wanted more from Custom Offsets, and I'm here today to say we're delivering just that. Starting today, Custom Offsets will be offering select performance parts on our website. With this, Custom Offsets will continue to make the experience of shopping for your build parts easier than ever before. Now you can find all the parts for your build in one convenient place. We're hyped to share this next step of our journey with all of you and cannot wait to see your builds really come to life with the addition of performance parts.